Hello, my name is Michelle Hughes and I'm a linocut artist and designer. I create linocut prints of landscapes and nature as well. All of my inspiration comes from being out walking and cycling in the countryside, many of which are of Yorkshire as well. You'll see behind me I'm currently working on a new series of Yorkshire Dales prints, so they're part way through being printed. I've got a couple more colours to add. Each of my designs is hand carved and hand printed here by myself, so each one is quite unique. Ordinarily I'd be teaching workshops here and I hope to be very soon, but my lockdown silver lining has been learning how to create an online course, so I launched that last month. And so if you would like to learn how to create linocut prints at home, please join me for that. And lastly, York Printmakers are a wonderful group and they've been massively supportive to me on my journey into doing this, and I wouldn't have done it without them, really, in all honesty. There's about 50 members and we have like a real diverse range of techniques and subject matter as well. So over the next 2 weeks, look out for York Printmakers and see what we do.